All right, guys, when you're coming in to get some service done here at Athens Ford, you just pull right into the service bay here. And as you come in, you'll follow the left-hand lane. And one of the service advisors will come out and assist you. We're going to pull up here and talk to Blake today. Hey, Blake.
Hey, how you doing today, sir?
It's good. It's good to see you today.
Good to see you. What
Good.
you bringing it in today for?
Today we're going to get an oil change in this new EcoSport.
All right, perfect. Then we'll get you set up if you want to follow me down here to quick lane.
All right.
Come right on in here. We'll get you set up.
Awesome. When we come in here to the quick lane areas, one of the service advisors be happy to help us. Today, this is Jeffrey. Say hey, Jeffrey.
How you doing?
Jeffrey's the service advisor here if you need an oil change, tire rotation. What else do you guys do over here, Jeffrey?
All maintenance.
All maintenance. Come see Jeffrey or Jacob or who's that other guy? Marshall?
Marshall is the other guy.
Awesome. All right, so you come over here if you need an oil change. If you need something a little more serious than just a normal maintenance, then you'll come over here to one of the service writers here for the main shop. Here to our right. And one of these service writers will help you with more serious situations. Like Chris or Christian will be glad to help us with one of those situations if we need it. Now what we're going to do is once you get through in the service center, you come out here to the lounge. Just walk this way. As you walk by, you can see where the guys are doing their work. Come by through here. Now when you come into the main entrance here, the front of the dealership, you have this lovely lounge that you can sit down, have a cup of coffee from the Starbucks machine, or watch TV or play on the Xbox. And if you're coming in to buy a car, which I hope you are because that's what I do is sell cars, you come in this door right here.
Welcome to Athens Ford. I'm Rico, and you are?
My name is Ray.
Oh, that's great. First time you here with us, right?
Yeah, this is my first time here.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay. You here for a car, truck, SUV?
I'm looking for a car.
All right. Sedan, hatchback?
Maybe a hatchback.
Okay. Well, let me get you to follow my office, and we'll see what we can find for you.
Let's
okay?
go. So then we'd walk over to the office, sit down and talk about what the perfect car would be for us, and Rico would pull that up for us. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you where you need to go if you're coming to go to our Ford Certified Collision Center. So when you get here to the body shop, you just park here in the customer parking on the paddock here and walk right across over to the glass door. And when you walk into the collision center here, you'll see the lovely Miss Kim here who will help you out.
How are you doing this afternoon?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Good.
Good.
What can I do for you today?
I've got some serious body damage on my EcoSport.
Okay. Do you know what insurance company you're filing the complaint through?
I'm not sure right now, but I'll find out.
Okay. Well, no problem. I'll be happy to take a look at it for you, prepare an estimate. We'll go from there.
Sounds good, Miss Kim. Beautiful people here at Athens Ford to help you out. So that's it. That's our dealership.